Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you two ways to turn on the NFC feature. Okay, so the first way would be to pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says more connections. And then here at the top you will see NFC. So by default it's switched off, so just go ahead and turn it on. So now it's on, and here it just explains how it works. So tap the back of your phone against any NFC reader or tag to make a payment, send files. Okay, so beneath the NFC we have this option here, default app. So it's set to work with the SIM cards. However, you can switch it to Google Pay to make contactless payments. And then beneath it here, we have the settings, and it's set to always use default app. However, you can change it to prioritize currently running app, and you're all set to go. Okay, so the second way to enable NFC would be to pull down the notification panel twice and look for the NFC shortcut button here. However, if you don't see it, like in my case, just select the little pencil here, and then you will see the NFC shortcut button here. Just drag and drop it anywhere into there, and then hit done. And all you have to do now is just pull down the notification panel and you will see it, and you can turn it off or on from there. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. Be sure to thumbs up the video, share the video. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. And I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.